Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you much for being here. So I'm going to be showing you a curly haired hack when it comes to using the Denman brush. So the Denman brush is a great tool for wrap drying, for blow drying as normal, but also for curly hair, and you wouldn't really think it. So this is going to change your life if you've got curly natural hair. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wet her down. I'm going to be using Joico's, don't know what to look at it, K-Pack Colour Therapy Spray. I'm going to be working that through for moisture, for shine, for condition, for porosity, and then I'm going to show you the hack of how to create beautiful curly hair and let it dry naturally and show the end result. So we've got our product in, which is Zero Heat by Joico, which is a no need to use heat product for curly hair and for straight hair, but for curly hair as well. And then we've got the Luster Lock spray. Now, the hack for styling curly hair. What we're going to do, we're going to be splitting this up to inch sections. We're going to grab the hair, we're going to place it just in that bottom of the brush, the Denman brush, pull it through to the ends, and then we're just going to spin up to that root and then just twist away. And look at that, gives you a beautiful curl. Just hold on to it at the beginning and then we're going to twist up to that root area and then just twist out, and it's going to give you these beautiful curls and so on. So I'm going to get this whole head finished. Just remember, you want to be going, if you want on the left hand side, teeth to be facing you, on the right hand side, teeth to be facing the floor. And there we go guys, so that it's not triangular. That is one thing that we don't want when it comes to curly hair. So just teasing it out from that little hair hack that I showed you. But we're not getting that sort of, that shape. We're just getting a much more sleeker. I think the mannequin head needs a little bit more conditioning. The condition isn't the greatest, to be honest. But yeah, just thought I'd show you that curly hair haircut that I love to do on my clients. We don't get the triangularness of it. We just get a really nice sort of condensed shape there. So if you enjoyed the video, let me know in the comments down below, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the red button, subscribe. See you on the next video.